There's my first ever white bass. It's small as crap, but hey, we're gonna take it. Let's go in there and get eaten by the big one John caught. Wow guys, that felt good. Back on the Wolf River with the small group guys. Let's go find some. We got Doug right here and John, the captain of this fine vessel. Yes. John, what in there? And it starts. First fish of the day. Way to go, Daddy! Right, boys. Unbelievable. Okay, we're on them. Let's see him show up for the boys, show up for Al. Dog is slain, man.
Dog in the
Right next to the boat. Hey, talk to the camera. What do you got there?
I got some lane.
Ooh. John's gonna be number 2 right now.
A walleye, get the net. It's not a walleye.
That's huge. That a boy. That a boy. Yeah, let that thing from you. Yeah, that's nice. You got little teeth in? That's a good size. Oh boy. Top of the morning to you. Oh, nice. Feeling strong. Gosh, it's snowing out here, boys. You can see that. The number one rule about boat owning: always be able to take your boat to the drive-thru. Can't be scared about it. Sure, it might look small, but she'll fit one way or another. Keep the nuts wet. That's what she said. Look at how easy life is with that single axle. Oh, you'll be fine.
That shouldn't be an issue.
That's what I tell at the beginning of the video. Number one rule.
Here goes the box. What the fuck is happening?
Oh my gosh. This a little
This is where you buy minnows.
Alright, boys. Guys, girls. That's the catch of the day. 36 fish. Oh, we gotta pay that. Alright, making any bets today over there in the Prince Craft?
Oh, we can bet.
Alright, what's the bet, boys?
Biggest fish, $5 each guy.
5, biggest fish.
We always do. It's a nice little take home.
Oh, we don't know the rules. How do you do it to keep it alive again?
bumping around down there. I started it, yeah. Haven't caught a fish in a while, guys. There's my first ever white bass. It's small as crap, but hey, we're gonna take it. Go in there and get eaten by the big one John caught. Wow, guys, that felt good. Oh, got him. That was sick. Ready? Nice. Holy cow, I got that on tape. John, did you see that? That was,
Chased it up.
that was wicked. That's an upgrade. That was sick. There's my upgrade and I'm back in the game, guys. I will name this one Al. I can add him if you want me to. Reeling again. Head first. I need that flyer, boy. Get a load of that boy right there. Maybe later. No, we didn't see anybody else either, so this is 4-4. 4 feet.
4 feet and I can't hit the dirt with it?
I know, right? I'm just scanning right now, just trying to see if I can see a pod or not.
We're just trying to find, oh, there it is.
What? River fishing. Snagging. Can't get away from it, guys. This is why we stick to lakes, not rivers. They don't do this. They literally have a jig like Kyle has on. Those guys are freaking fast. Yeah, that's what. Break up. Yep. We get out of here. I need an arc. Holy buckets. Oh, my wheels are broken. You got a big fish? How about at the net? You got a. Oh my god, dude. You got a fish? Are you sure? Or do you snake? Holy crap. How long is it gonna take to get in?
Are you kidding me?
Real? That's a little walleye, right? Get it in the boat, quick.
My reel is broken.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna snap his little tiny.
Oh my! What? Jake catches a walleye. Unbelievable. Almost.
Jacob,
a lot of
proud of
work.
you. That thing is good.
It's not huge on that
Can
rod.
we keep that? Yeah, that is.
A little walleye.
Good fish, good fish. Oh, he's all over you, Doug.
Went right in.
Thought I made a good video for Al.
Auto and swimming.
Good thing I lost those 20 pounds, or you might have gone in. Monster. No. And I guess we really want it, so I shouldn't have it. Got him. Off the net.
It's a smallmouth.
No.
Oh, of course, the bottom looks like a smallmouth.
This is what we're getting. And he's off, and it's all over Doug. He's trying to kill him.
Hey, good thing you measured him.
Hey, you guys, you know what happens? There we go, number 4. There we go. This is a better one. Oh, real good one. Real good. Real good one. He might have came off my line. That's a good one. Finally, some thick boys. Oh, here we go, guys. That's my 5th. Doug said, let's go. He was right. I saw that one did some mash. Nice.
That's alright. I
John.
don't know if it's numbers or size anymore, Josh. I can't figure it out.
I think John and I are tied. Doug's got to come back from behind.
I had one, but
The old,
What happened at the net there?
The old no net.
Big boy. No! Hey guys, we've been at this for about 4 hours now, and only fish is Jake so far. So as you can see, we found some boats. There's even another tracker over there, but not much luck. I have yet to catch a fish on this river, so it's not the end of the world, but it definitely sucks. So I'll do another hour and then head out.
Check it out.
Numbers that matter. It's just how many you catch, Josh.
We're on them. Smile and wave for Al.
He got me out. He's trying to bite me, but he doesn't have teeth.
Maybe we should name that one Al. Anywhere we go, we're catching up. You got a big one.
We say one, we done 2.
Doug's making a comeback. How does it feel, Doug?
Tell the viewers.
I'm addicted to white bass.
I love the white bass, man.
Got one. That's a good one. I found the drift over there. That was a good one. John's on.
Get the picture. Let me get out of the way.
Got it?
You guys are slaying them.
Mwah.
Here we go.
Fishy thing.
I saw that one just smash. Nice.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
There's some fun.
Get it over there.
John's bending the rod. Big fish. Huge. Laying them out here.
Yeah. It definitely hit harder.
No, we're not.
Nice.
Every time we say that.
You want another now?
Um,
Oh, yeah. It wasn't that long. When I started to feel bad, but if you want one, I'll be happy to get it.
might be able to grab this guy. Just don't want to lose him at both sides. I know you guys want. I know you. I know you want him. Hey, what's up? I think I'm gonna miss. One. Now what? I think that's it. Yeah. Are we both okay? Are we just that drone? Yeah. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I don't know. Couple more cameramen show up. Oh god. I got one. I'm fishing out here right now. I got one, so thanks for calling. Yeah, but I'll have to let you know. All right. Yep. We got it. We're just out at the Wolf River. 4:35. Hey, thanks for the call. See you later. Bye. What did I tell you about phone calls? Every frickin' time. With big fish. That's just a huge monster. All right. Should I tell someone to call me? Hey, slow wake, sir.
Pretty darker boot.
That was pretty good. Sometimes you just Good. Did it come out even? One sec, Jake. Yeah, you're good. You guys got her? How'd it go out there? Can't say we didn't try. That's a big one. Must be John.
Oh, the limit's one for
What?
Oh, here's a little one.
Where did he come from? There's at least 10 in there. One more.
There's one alive one, and he's gonna prick me. I just freaking know it.
You want me to get another bucket?
This is some good fishing right here. No, I mean just grab.
Ah, I just love that boat. Oh, you forgot the plugs. So many holes on that thing, it don't matter. Just nothing like this.
Is it official? Here you go.
Fire money around.
Jake's getting a payday. Jake's gonna have to buy you some pizza.
Little walleye.
Hey, it counts.
All right, guys, one fish. Bert didn't catch anything. I thought he was gonna. And this is what it comes to.
You tried.
You always find us in the drive-thru. Today was before and after.
Go Rocky.
Yeah. Not a great day, but the nets are still wet. We are not skunked this year, so have a good one. Be blessed.